Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to view the table dependencies or any database object dependencies in SQL Server Management Studio. So it's very simple thing. So I open the SQL Server Management Studio here. So I am in AdventureWorks database. I am selecting one table. So right click. So view dependencies. That's it. So you can see that objects that depends on table and objects on which table address table requires. Okay, so you can see that list of dependencies are got displayed. So in this way, you can view the dependency of any database object just by right clicking view dependencies. Object on which address depends. Let me try another example. See here, customer table. So these are the dependencies required by customer table, and these are the dependents used by other database objects. So customer tables are used by other tables, triggers, function, etc. See, this function is using this customer table. So similarly, you can try all the database objects by just by right clicking view dependents. That's it. It will give you what are the dependents and what are the objects required by this current object.